So if you have ever struggled with making your AI generated interfaces look professional, or they just end up looking kind of generic and boring, then you definitely need to stick around because I am about to show you UI UX Pro Max skill. Alright, so basically this is an AI skill that brings actual design intelligence into your coding workflow. Think of it like having a professional UI designer sitting right next to your AI coding assistant, guiding it to make better design decisions instead of getting those bland, cookie clutter interfaces that anyone can quickly understand. This is built by using an AI. You are going to get designs that actually look thought out and professional. This skills come packed with 67 different UI styles. It's got 96 color palettes that are specifically designed for different industries. So whether you are building a fintech app or a wellness platform, there is a palette that actually makes sense for your use case. Plus there are 66 fonts pairing with Google Fonts integration, 26 chart types for dashboards, and also get this 96 UX guidelines covering best practices and accessibility. The latest version also introduced something called the Design System Generator. This is an AI powered reasoning engine that analyzes what you are trying to build and automatically generates a complete design system tailored specifically for your project. I'm talking about everything from color scheme to typography, layout pattern to what effect you should use, and even anti pattern to avoid. It's basically like having a senior designer create a complete style guide for you in seconds. Now the skill works with a ton of different AI coding assistants. The main one I am going to focus on today is Antigravity, which is Google's agent first AI IDE. For those who don't know, Antigravity is completely free and it's powered by Google's Gemini 3 Pro model. What makes it special is that it's not just a chatbot that writes code. It's actually built from the ground up to let AI agents autonomously plan, execute, and verify entire features for you. Alright, this skill support React, Next.js, Vue, Svelte, Swift UI for iOS, React Native, Flutter, and of course HTML with Tailwind and CSS. So no matter what you are building or what framework you prefer, this thing has got you covered with stack specific guidelines. Now to install this, first thing you need is Python installed on your system because the skill uses a Python search script under the hood. Once you have Python ready, just open your terminal and run npm install command. This installs the command line tool globally. Then navigate to your project folder and run UI Pro init with AI flag followed by your assistant name. So for anti-gravity, it would be UI Pro init dash dash AI anti-gravity, and for cursor it's UI Pro init dash dash AI cursor, and so on for all other editors. The CLI will automatically download the latest version from GitHub and set everything up in the right folder for your specific AI assistant. So the way this works is pretty simple. Once the skill is installed, it activates automatically whenever you request UI or UX work. You don't need to do anything special. Just chat naturally with the AI. Let me show you an example. I am going to ask it to build a landing page for SaaS product focused on, let's say, productivity software for remote teams. Watch what happens next. When I send this prompt, the agent does not just immediately start coding. It first searches the design database. You can see it's looking through the UI styles, finding appropriate color palettes, checking font pairing, and identifying the best landing page patterns for this specific use case. This is the design system generator in action. It's running through 100 industry specific reasoning rules to figure out the optimal design approach. And look at this actual output it generated. It's showing me the recommended design system for this project. It picked a specific landing page pattern, a UI style that fits the product type, a complete color palette with the HEX codes, typography recommendation with Google Fonts links, key effect to include, and even a checklist of things to verify before delivery. This is exactly the kind of stuff a real designer would think about. And what you are going to see is way different from what you would normally get from just asking Claude or ChatGPT. You can see the quality is noticeably higher because it's following actual design principle instead of only throwing together some generic components. The color scheme actually makes sense for a productivity SaaS. The typography is clean and professional, the spacing feels balanced, and there are these subtle animations and hover effects that make it feel polished. This is not something you would need to spend hours tweaking. This is the production ready right out of the gate. But other than Antigravity, this also supports Cursor, Windsurf, GitHub Copilot, and several others. With GitHub Copilot, once you install the skill, you just type the slash in the chat to see available prompts. Then you select the UI UX Pro Max and boom, the design intelligence kicks in. It works super smoothly and integrates right into your existing VS Code workflow. For the other tools like Cursor, Windsurf, Kiro, or Codex, the setup is pretty similar and you can check the documentation for specifics. But they will all essentially give you the same design intelligence layer. Now I want to talk about one of the more advanced features that a lot of people don't know about. You can actually use the design system generator directly from the command line to create a reusable design system that persists across your entire project. This is really useful if you are building a multi-page application and you want consistency everywhere. Let me show you how this works. In your terminal, you navigate to wherever you install the skill. Usually it's in skills folder and then you run a Python command. So it would be python 3 script /search.py followed by your product description. Then dash design dash system flag, and you can use -p to specify your project name. For example, if I run python 3 script /search.py fintech banking design system p and then my banking app, it's going to generate a complete design system and save it in a file called master.md in a design system folder. This file becomes your source of truth for all design decisions across your app. What's really cool is you can also create page specific override files. So if your checkout page needs slightly different styling than your dashboard, you can generate a specific design system for just that page using the -page flag. The AI will then know to check the page specific file first and fall back to the master design system for anything which is not overridden specifically. Alright, so also if you head over to the demo section, you can see there are so many beautifully designed templates and those are all done with this skill. If you see this educational platform interface, that really showcase what's possible with this skill. The design is sophisticated with proper use of white spaces, the color palette is optimized for long reading sessions, and the component hierarchy guides your eyes naturally through the content. It's a perfect example of how this skill can elevate your project beyond what you would typically get from AI generated codes. Another thing worth mentioning is the 100 reasoning rules that power the design system generator. These rules are industry specific, so the skill knows that a banking app needs different design pattern than a gaming platform. It knows that healthcare apps should avoid aggressive colors and focus on clarity, while creator portfolios can be more experimental and bold. This contextual intelligence is what makes the output feel designed by a human rather than randomly assembled by an algorithm. Alright, the CLI tool makes it super easy to keep everything current. You can run UI Pro versions to see what's available and UI Pro update to grab the latest releases. They're actively developing this, so you are going to see new style, new pattern and new features being added regularly. One more thing before we wrap up is if you are working on a team, this skill is a game changer for maintaining design consistency. Even if different developers are working on different features, as long as they are all using the same design system files, everything is going to look cohesive. No more situations where the login page looks completely different from the dashboard because different people built them. In terms of performance, the whole system is really lightweight. The search script runs in milliseconds, the design recommendations are instant, and it does not slow down your AI coding assistant at all. Everything happens in the background and you just get better results without any extra effort on your part. So yes, that's UI UX Pro Max skill if you are building web apps, mobile apps, or really any kind of user interfaces and you want to level up the design quality without becoming a professional designer by yourself. This is absolutely the tool you need. I highly recommend you go install this and try it out by yourself. Start with something simple like a landing page, see the difference it makes, and then start using the design system generator for your actual projects. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.